सर आज तुम्ही CCPन येयल्ले मेमोरंडम घेवपाक.
आमी दनपारां येयले 12 गेल्लो अपॉयंटमेंट घेवपाक मेयराचो मेयर नासलो आनी मागीर आमी आतां 4 फावटी ट्राय केला फोन मारपाक ताका फोन घेयना.
हां
सो ताका खबर आहा पेपरार थिंग येयला आमी 4 घेवपाचें म्हणून मेळपाक पूण म्हाका दिसता ताका इंट्रस्ट ना मेळपाचो पूण आमी हें आमचें हें पळय आहा न्ही इनवायट केला आमी हें आमचो पळय लेटर आहा न्ही काल ताका ईमेलान धाडला आमी CCP मेयराक धाडला CCP कमिशनराक धाडला आनीक आतां आमी कलेक्टराक वयता कितें आमकां कोणें सांगलां की डेप्युटी कलेक्टर रेवेन्यू तो चडसो तेणें परमिशन दिला काय दिसता आमकां झाडां कापपाक 173 झाडां पळय आहा न्ही कापपाची. सो आतां आमी कित्याक कलेक्टर येतलो मंडे फकत सो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर वचून वता आमी ताका कॉपी दितले आमी आनी मागीर आमी RFO रेंज फॉरेस्ट ऑफीस कंपालार वयतले आनी आमी थोडे दीस रावतले आनी फाल्यां सान लिगल प्रोसेस चालू करतले. हे तो आमचें आयकोना कित्याक म्हाका दिसता मेयर आतां लोकांचो सिटीजन रिप्रेझेंटेटीव देर इज नो सायन ऑफ हिम. सो मेयर हिमसेल्फ इज डिसअपियरिंग एंड नो सायन ऑफ हिम नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू फोन कॉल्स. So we don't waste our time here. We will go there. We will go to collector. We will go to RFO, and we'll come back here again.
Arjun Bob, can you give us brief about the issue again, please?
See, there are 173 trees are being marked for trimming and cutting. So we don't know how many cutting and how many trimming.
Where?
In Benjim. So what is the reason also we don't know. But now we have been told that from inside, not officially, that these are being marked as dangerous trees. But the collector's office doesn't have experts to decide what is dangerous, nor does CCP's office has any expert to decide which is a safe or dangerous tree. And Aarti will explain the number of trees, what is, because she's been conducting walks in the city, tree walks.
तू मेयराक फोन मारलेलो
Huh?
मेयराक फोन मारला घेवंक ना फोन घेयना.
फोन घेयना आतां तुमचे उजेर मारता हांव ऑन आयल पुट अ स्पीकर just to show he is a mayor should be responsible for citizens. We are citizens, we are not belong to any political party or anything. We have come here for our interest is to protect the trees of the city because Panjim is famous for greenery and if he तो greenery cover केल्यार आमी cover. Now I am putting on speaker and trying to protect him. Let's see. Hello Mr. Basarak, I'm Avertino Miranda. Just waiting here, waiting to meet you. If possible, you will come into office. Regarding the tree cutting by CCP. No, we want to give you a representation. He's not there. He's also not there. What time you expect to come? We'll wait for you. Oh, you're not coming today. Tomorrow? Tomorrow is okay? See, this is we are concerned as citizens. A lot of trees are being cut by CCP equipment workers. Yeah, I know. So we want you to know from you. Yeah. So tell us, no? We want to know, no? We want to know. You're not. Yeah. Okay, I understand you're busy. So, okay. No, we are about 6. We are only 6-7 people, not 15. We are only 6 people, 7. Here, right in the office, right in front of the main gate. Huh? At Bishop's house? Outside Bishop's house. Now, right now? Right now? Okay. Okay, we'll come there. Fine. 10. Okay. Okay. We are starting now from here, and we reach there. Yeah. We don't have transport. We don't mind if we can, please. We at the gate. Wait, just 6-7 of us. Huh? Oh, whoever can fit. Whoever fits. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Luckily, Mayor बोललेला था.
किती सांगणार?
Mayor said he is going to explain why the trees are being cut. Because we don't know, nobody knows. So people of residents of Panjim have a right to know why the trees we are losing the tree cover. So he has been kind enough to send a car because I am going all around walking Panjim. So he'll send a car. We will go whoever fits 6 people. The rest will come by whatever transport is.
Yeah.
How many of us? There how many of us? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, then
5, 6, 7.
And what he has said
Huh?
about this?
Okay, now we are meeting him in front of outside Bishop's house. So if you are interested, please come there. So we will discuss with him there because he has no time, he is busy. And we will see what he is saying because we don't know.
After this, you are supposed to go to
Collectors, yeah. We'll go after this because he is coming there in 10 minutes. He'll send a car, we'll go with the car only so we don't waste time. So please come there so you'll know what is the explanation he's giving because he has been at least agreed to speak to us and tell us what is the reason.
ओके थँक्यू.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.